Welcome to day one's vlog. Justin's a little hangry right now because I took forever to get ready, but if you haven't already seen it, go check out my last video that I posted and the other videos that I posted since I got to Cabo. Check out my get ready with me, and now that I'm ready, we're gonna go grab some breakfast. You hungry, baby?
Yes, ma'am.
My baby's hungry, so we're gonna go get some food. Ooh, the resort is so beautiful. We're at breakfast right now, and it was buffet style. They have lots and lots of stuff to choose from, but you know your girl's keeping it real cute and simple, so I ordered a smoothie, which I'm waiting for right now, and I'm having a fruit salad. Meanwhile, Justin got himself a bomb omelet and of course some fruit on the side. We are on the beach, guys, and it is absolutely breathtaking. Like, oh my god. My favorite part of this resort is the fact that the Wi-Fi is hitting. Wi-Fi is high speed, and it's really relaxing, very relaxing. Oh baby, you look so good on the camera. Yes honey. So we're about to go to the adult pool right now. Let's see what it's looking like over there. I'm about to post my first picture on Instagram. My hair. Alrighty though, so when you go on vacation, make sure you use sunscreen. We're using this brand that we just got from the gift shop. Sunscreen is very important. It has a SPF of 50 plus. Protect your skin. You hear me? There you go. Well protected. I'm about to spray myself up too. We're about to get in the pool soon. Right? All right, we are in the swimming pool, and Justin, what you drinking? Sipping Quavo with no chaser. You got chaser in there? Okay. Where's the bartender? I think I'm gonna start off with the margarita. Keeping it cute. I'm deciding where am I gonna take my picture in this bathing suit though. Where should I take it? Like, this swimsuit is badass. Where should I take it? Oh, let me see, because I can't see on my phone. Okay? We're going to be flexing all week, so make sure you're subscribed and make sure you follow me on Instagram so you don't miss this slay. I got me a margarita, because when we get back to the room, we're going to pop open at 1942. Damn, I should have said no salt, sugar. Ugh, I hate salt. Ugh. Ugh. That's a lot of salt.
I'm going down singing Luke Skywalker. You hear me?
Let me show y'all what the swim out pool is looking like though. It's getting deeper. So this is the adult pool. No kids are allowed in here, which I absolutely love. Justin, gang in this bitch. There's some restaurants. There's a sports bar, restaurant up there. More rooms. Another restaurant. And of course, the beautiful ISSA Mariah. We're still at the pool, guys, but our food just came. So we about to eat. Let me show you what we got. So I got a fruit salad for me because I'm being super healthy, sticking to my diet. This is some chicken quesadillas. And then for me again, I have some fish tacos. And that's Justin's Jose Cuervo. I just went to go get us some beach towels. So I'm about to eat. I'm about to devour this food. And then we're gonna go lay out on the beach and literally just relax. So we're back in the room, and Justin is just in the swimming pool. We're drinking some 1942 turn you to a monster. Let's see. He got friends now. They playing football. I'm about to get my computer and start editing. So subscribe to the channel. room to come eat. Starving. Then I think I'm gonna go back to the room, finish editing, and get ready for tonight. I think I'm gonna look super cute tonight, so I'm definitely gonna put on. This is the appetizer. It's like shrimp cocktail.
With the little avocado and pineapple?
Yeah. He likes avocado, guys. And a view. The view is amazing. Cabo is beautiful. And for the actual lunch, we got seafood pasta. This is the seafood pasta with some mussels and fettuccine. Lunch was awesome. Tired at this point. I need a nap. But I guess we're just about to go relax until dinner time. I'ma get cute tonight.
Stunning. Like $100 million.
Shoes. This is my outfit of the night. My snake print dress is from Fashion Nova. My shoes are also from Fashion Nova. My hair is from the Beauty Loft New York. My lashes are from the Beauty Loft New York. I'm wearing a style MINK nude. And we're just about to go out and have some dinner now. Yes, I'm feeling this fit.
Hey, gorgeous.
Hi. Okay, bye. I don't know where we're going right now.
I'm surprising you.
Guys, we had an argument. We're not gonna get into that. Okay, guys, so I was just about to have.
They come back with a 2 7-Up, okay?
Thank
you don't
you.
drink alcohol? No?
Yeah.
No alcohol for you? No?
What do you suggest?
Make it good.
No, just asking. No, just in case maybe to recommend something, okay? Tiramisu? You share the Volcanic tiramisu or you want the same?
Yeah, let's do both.
Both?
Yeah.
Same.
Yeah. Thank you so
My
much.
pleasure and thank you for
Mom. You drinking the water? Yo, babe, why are you drinking the water? I want you to get sick off of drinking foreign water. Alright guys, I was just about to explain how I was about to have a nervous breakdown because so me and Justin, well Justin and I, we were having a dispute in the room and it went on for a couple hours, so I plan to do my makeup at 7 o'clock and be done by 8 o'clock so that we can make it to dinner. I believe dinner is around from 8 to 10:30 at all of the restaurants out here. So it ran a little late. I finished my makeup around 9:30-ish. Then he wanted to make up with me, so he took me to this beautiful place that I have to take you dolls to. But I want to go back when it's brighter because it was really, really dark. So we ran late. Then we came down to this Italian restaurant and the lady told us, bless you, and the lady told us that it was closed. I was so hurt. So we went to another restaurant and they told me that their kitchen was closed also. But while I was at the other restaurant, Justin was chopping it up with one of the waiters at the restaurant that we're currently at right now. And then all of a sudden we have a table. Justin, what did you do? He's holding the light for me. What did you say to this guy, buddy?
I just wanted to fix the situation.
You said you wanted to fix the situation?
Yep. I look mad yellow in this.
You look good. He just washed his face, gave himself a little facial. Your face looks good.
Thank you, baby.
So far, so good. Justin likes Italian food, right?
Love that sound.
He loves Italian food. We just ordered. I had to tip the waiter like OD. I tipped him $20. I don't know how much that is in pesos. If you know, let me know in the comment section below. And I hope that made his night because he was able to make our night, because I was this close to crying and messing up my makeup because I'm hungry and I'm gonna go back to the room and drink and, you know, try to smoothen out the night because we had a rough afternoon.
We had a great afternoon. We had a rough 2 hours. You always over-exaggerate.
I over-exaggerate?
Tell people you still bleeding. Tell us about that.
Yeah, it's that time of the month, by the way. It must suck.
And it's heavy.
And it's very heavy this month. I've never experienced such a heavy flow. it sucks to be on vacation with, you know, but Mother Nature calls. Hopefully by tomorrow it's gone because it's driving me crazy.
I hope that you really like her.
You the man, bro.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it.
Thank you, Juan.
My pleasure.
Cheers.
Cheers, my love.
This drink tastes really, really well. Juan just brought out a special drink that he made, a signature drink, and it tastes really good. Cheers, dolls. Wow, my Caesar salad is pretty interesting. What are you eating over there, buddy?
Some different type of stuff.
The dinner just came out and I'm having some salmon with mashed potato and some sauce. Justin had to abort his old appetizer and get a Caesar salad just like me, and he got some salmon just like me. So we about to eat, and then after we eat we're gonna go take some pictures and head back to the room.